Hey, what's up, guys? This is episode who knows what, but it's unboxing number 5. This is the 5th box. Look at this beast. This is a monster of a box. There's probably, I don't know, equivalent of 3 to 4 5,000 count boxes in there. So that means there's probably 15 to 20,000 cards just in this box. I was noticing the box, it was kind of weird. It's Kotex. Should be distributed to female freshman students. That's kind of weird. I don't know where that came from. It's not my box. But I was reading that. It might have went to a college or a high school or something. But those bottom 3 boxes are empty. I just brought those to start putting some cards in. Those top 2 boxes are full. And we're going to show you what's in some of these boxes, guys. Some of you guys have been pretty interested in seeing what I got. I'm kind of interested in seeing what I got. So let's see what I got. This, like I said, some of those boxes I've been looking at just had full sets in them. This does not look like sets. This just looks like extras. These are nice looking cards, man. Those are going to look nice autographed. I've never seen those before. I don't do NASCAR cards normally. I bought a bunch of them at one point to get autographed, but those are good looking cards. But looks like they're press pass of some sort. And there's some 99 press pass beside it. These don't seem to be in number order at all. I don't think. What's that say? I was trying to get it to where we could read what they were. There we go. This is 99 high gear. There's about 1,000 of those there. And those are pretty good looking cards. Here's 99 max. I think all these are 99. So 99 max of some sort. 99 press pass. Yeah, these are not in numerical order. So I will probably just, pull out the guys that sign. I know Terry Labonte signs. A lot of these guys sign. I think Rusty Wallace signs. I think it takes a long time, but I think he does sign. There's Jeff Bodine. All the Bodines sign. Todd, Jeff, and Brett. What do we got here? Is that more? I think that's the same. And then there's some more press pass. Anyway, there's 5,000 cards right there. I mean, it's probably lacking a few. That's 4,800 maybe. There's a few hundred missing there. But there's one box down. And like I said, that will be sorted someday into drivers or, who signs, who doesn't sign, whatever. And then we'll throw the other stuff in grab bags or sell them by the piece or something. This looks like 90. Is that 98 also? I didn't notice this at the auction. I don't know. It says went through. So I'm not sure if the people that brought them to the auction went through them or the guys I bought them from went through them. I don't know. I didn't really notice that one. I'll have to go back and look at the video. 98 Collector's Choice Upper Deck. I think those look pretty good, don't they? They look good. Yeah, these are good to get autographed. They're usually pretty light. And they don't have a big gloss on them. I like those to get autographed. Here's 98 High Gear. 98 Max. Like I said, this is the 5,000 count box right here. This is pretty awesome. Don't know what that is. Looks like 98 Max still. I don't know what that is. 98 Press Pass Premium. Man, these things are so packed in here. It's hard to get them out. Nice, like Michael Waltrip here, he signs. So, like I said, there's going to be a lot of TTM fuel in here. Like I said, I doubt if I find any autographs. I'm sure all the autographs have been taken out. I'm sure all the big inserts have been taken out. But, like I said, even for sets and TTM fuel, I think it was worth the money I paid. Once again, I paid $600. It's going to be about 200 or 300,000 cards. Just the cards I'm showing you right now, it's going to be about 50,000 cards. And we still have a ton of cards. These are some Upper Deck, it looks like. But This says 98 SP. So there's right there, there's 10,000 cards down. We just showed you 10,000 cards. That one's actually a full box. And we haven't even got to this huge box here. This one says Racer's Choice, 1996 full sets. So that means every single one of these is a full set. So we have full sets of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 8 sets at $5 a set. If we can get that, that's $40 right there. I like it when we find boxes of just sets. Those are pretty awesome. I have to do nothing. All I have to do is kind of, put them in. Oh, look at this. 95 images, full sets. I love these boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 sets of 95 image. That's awesome. So that's another $35 if we can get $5 a set. We got Day 194. I believe Day 194, isn't that oh wow, yes. Watch this, guys. These are full sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 full sets. If you guys don't know racing, you want to look for card number, I think it's 183. Maybe. Look at that. This is a Dale Earnhardt Jr. rookie card. The Day 1 edition is actually like double the price, I think. Like I said, these are, I'm going to look at these and see if any of these are mint. Because like I said, they've just been sitting in here for years. So if I can find a mint graded one, they are pretty valuable. So I've already had like 4 or 5 of these sets at the shop already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more Dale Earnhardt Jr. rookie card sets. Day 1 edition. Look those up, man. Those are awesome. Like I said, I didn't know those were in there. That is amazing. I had no clue. That's money right there. Especially if I can get them graded. Press pass, full sets, nice. I didn't even know there was any sets in these. This is awesome. I was getting kind of worried because those first 2 boxes were no sets at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of Press Pass 96. Man, I'm pumped. How many freaking sets am I going to get in this collection? I mean, you know how much work it took and how much money it took for these people to open up this much, sets or wax and put this many sets together, how many hours it took to do this. Here's Assets 95. This is actually a good looking card. Look at this. It looks like, I've noticed when they do this, if there's no numbers on the thing, it's a full set. And then they'll go down to where, there'll be some needs and wants. Like this one might need number 18. So like I said, when I get to that point, I'll figure out which ones are full sets, which ones are not full sets. Like this one here needs 18 also. So there's a full set. There's a full set. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full sets and 3 or 4 partial sets. And those images are good looking cards. I'll show you those real quick. All these are assets. There's Earnhardt, Ernie Irvan. Yeah, those are cool, guys. Look at that. He signs. I'm going to be sending out to some NASCAR guys, I'm telling you. I should have went live because I can only film 15 minutes, and I'm already at 9 minutes. I don't even have the first layer of this box done. So we may go live in a bit. 1995 Crown Jewel. Yes, 6 full sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Crown Jewel sets right there. Awesome. Love it when there's full sets. Like I said, I think the sets, I have better chance of getting rid of and selling in bulk type stuff. So there's 6 more sets. That's another, what, 30 bucks? Yeah, like I said, it's going to start adding up pretty quick. 93 Max Chrome need. So this is a partial set. When they say need, it will usually say, oh, here we go. He'll have a thing in there. So I need number 7, number 59, and that will be a complete Chrome set, which the Chrome set's pretty awesome. So with those, I'll probably just end up breaking up and using for, you know, TTM fuel or selling. But there's still sets here. 93 Finish Line. This is 92 track sets. Looks like there's 2 sets in there. So that's like another 10 bucks if we can sell those. Like I said, most of the sets are 5 bucks. There's some sets that I've found, like those Dale Earnhardt Jr. rookies. Those are good sets. Those go for much higher. There was some Force, it's like Force M or M Force or something, that they were like $35 a set. But most of the ones, what is this? What the heck? Crown Chrome Max? Like I said, I don't know NASCAR. Oh, wow. These are like acetate cards. I don't know if this is a set or what. I don't know what they are. That's pretty sweet, guys. There's a whole thing of these acetate looking cards. I don't know if those are good or not, but they will look good autographed if that's not a set. And it says 95 Chrome. I'll look and see if that's a set. That's really nice. I like that one. We're getting close, guys, to when I have to stop this. Assets 96 full sets. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 6 or 7 sets in there. That's another. Wow. This is amazing. And look at this. I'm still not even done with this box. There's a 94, does it say subset? I'm not sure what this is. Oops. Oh, wow. Look at that. They're like Earnhardt. Action-packed Earnhardt sets. Those will probably do pretty well. There's like 6 or 8 of those in there. Heck, those are probably $5 a set, and they're tiny. This looks like another 95 Max Chromium. Sweet. And that looks like a set. Those I'll probably charge more for, just because they're really nice, the chrome ones. There's an action pack set, Series 3. Here's 93 action pack. Another 93 action pack. So 93 tracks. There's another tracks, probably 93 tracks maybe. There's another track set. 94 high gear, bummer. Earnhardt's in the second series. This is the first series, the Earnhardt Jr. There's another action pack. We're getting close. Oh, yes! Guess what we just found, guys? We found another day one Earnhardt rookie set. Number 183, I think, or 82. Yes. Found those are money right there. Who knows what I'm going to find in here? I'm going to have to stop, guys. I'm running out of time. Yeah, like I said, I may go live here in a sec, and you guys can see some more of this stuff. But there's just so much stuff here. High gear too. Is this another Earnhardt? I don't know, guys. I'm going to stop here, and then you guys can watch this later. I'm going to go live, and you'll probably see the live first. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.